Alright guys, welcome back to Autobahn Speed. My name is Dustin and I'm standing in front of the Peugeot RCZ in white. It looks nice. Let's go for an evening drive. You can see the interior clearly, light is still on, but let's start up the car. The speedometer is in the way, my digital one, my telephone, but behind is the clock. Let's take it for a drive. Turn down the radio. It always goes on when you start up the car. Quite irritating. Close the window. In second gear the car pulls good. But it's just too bad that there's no sporty sound to it. Not from the engine, but also not from the exhaust. Push the car. It's okay. The car does not have xenon lights, just the normal standard lights, as you can see. It's not that bright. The car is very easy to drive. Everything is smooth, shifting, the clutch. It's really easy. think we're doing maximum speed, pushing the pedal, but it's stuck at 207 kilometers per hour. It's quite wobbly here, so my voice also goes up and down. Stable in the corner, not really. Really have to hold the steering wheel quite steady. But cruising around with 200 is okay to do with this car. Last push, flooring the pedal. Oh, not possible, not possible, not possible. I thought we were not there yet, but we're already here. That went faster than I thought. In my head I was still a little bit behind, some kilometers. But we're already back in Holland, so yeah, the maximum speed now in the night is 130. So it's over with the fun. Well, that was the impression of driving the Peugeot RCZ. Sorry, I wanted to say 207, I don't know why, but it's the RCZ. In the evening, pushing it with like 200 kilometers per hour on the Autobahn and short city drive. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, of course, to see more videos like this. And more important, leave in the comments down below what you think of this video, what you think of this car. I'm very curious about your opinion. I hope you have a good evening, take care, and see you in the next video. Bye guys!